Have you ever wondered how mushrooms grow? They are not like most plants, as they do not have leaves, flowers, or roots. So, what is the process behind their growth? Mushrooms are actually the fruiting bodies of a larger organism known as mycelium. Mycelium is a network of thread like structures called hyphae which grow underground. Mycelium feeds on decaying organic matter in the soil, such as dead leaves and wood. As it grows, it forms a web like network breaking down the organic matter and absorbing the nutrients. To grow mushrooms, farmers use spores, which are like the seeds of mushrooms. These spores are mixed with substrate, which is material that provides nutrients for the mycelium to grow. Once the spores are mixed with the substrate, they are left incubate a warm and humid environment. This allows the mycelium to grow and spread throughout the substrate. After a few weeks, the substrate is covered in mycelium and it's time to induce fruiting. This is done by exposing the substrate to cooler temperatures and higher humidity, which triggers the mycelium to start producing mushrooms. As the mycelium continues to grow and develop, small bumps will begin form on the surface of the substrate. These bumps will eventually grow into mushroom caps. As the mushroom caps grow, they will start to produce spores, which will eventually fall to the ground and start the process all over again. And that's how mushrooms grow, from spores to mycelium to fruiting bodies. It's a fascinating process that has been happening for millions of years.